Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick security advisory for Apple users if you have an iPad or an iPhone, and particularly if you're using HomeKit, which actually is what connects to all sorts of home devices. So if you have some smart home appliances, lights and all sorts of things, switches and so on, connected devices of all sorts, there is a security vulnerability that is very important to fix. It's called door lock, and it is a basically a denial of service door lock that with iPads and iPhones on iOS 14.7 or later has the possibility to crash your device. And of course, that moment when it actually crashes, you can actually have maliciously crafted HomeKit accessory names that are actually injected. And of course, that means that your devices can become unusable and locked down, basically. So Apple has addressed this severe problem with its iOS devices. It issued updates. So check for updates on your iPad and iPhone to make sure that you have the fix installed. The device that receives the security updates include the iPhone 6s and later, iPad Pro, all models, iPad Air 2 and later, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad Mini 4 and later, and the iPod Touch 7th generation. So it's very important to make sure that you update. This actually has been going on for a little while, but the fix was delayed. And the reason it was delayed is because they actually tried to kind of, make sure that it, first of all, they had one part of it, which was they kind of didn't really believe that it was that bad. And the other part was they tried to mitigate it in other ways, but now they just had no choice. So this is very important. And there's been a lot of zero-day patches and zero-day fixes in the past couple of months on your iOS devices. It's very important to check out whatever device you have. Showing you here that Apple devices are not more secure than anything else. It's always, like I always say, you have to be at the latest version. You have to have the latest updates installed to stay safe on any device, whatever you have. So iPads and iPhones, check out your updates and make sure that you're at the latest version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.